In Sumter, South Carolina, the hot summers and mild winters place a unique demand on our homes. From keeping the cool air inside during the scorching summer months to ensuring your home stays warm and cozy when temperatures drop, energy efficiency should be a top priority for homeowners. One of the best ways to achieve this is by considering energy-efficient window installation. Whether you're looking to save money, improve comfort, or increase your home's value, upgrading to energy-efficient windows offers numerous benefits. Here's why you should consider making the switch. Lower energy bills. One of the most immediate advantages of installing energy-efficient windows is the potential for substantial savings on your energy bills. Traditional windows can allow air to escape, leading to increased heating and cooling costs. However, energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping the hot air outside in summer and the warm air inside during winter. By reducing the strain on your HVAC system, you can expect a noticeable decrease in your monthly energy expenses. Enhanced comfort year-round. In Sumter, the weather can be unpredictable, with scorching summer temperatures reaching into the 90s and winter months dropping to colder than expected lows. With energy-efficient windows, your home will remain more consistent in temperature, regardless of the season. These windows often feature advanced glazing technologies like low-E coatings, which help maintain a steady indoor climate by blocking excessive heat from the sun in the summer while retaining warmth during winter. This means fewer hot or cold spots, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows do more than just regulate temperature, they can also help reduce outside noise. Living in a busy neighborhood or near a highway can result in a lot of unwanted sound entering your home. Energy-efficient windows, especially those with multiple panes of glass, offer better sound insulation compared to single-pane windows. This can make a noticeable difference in reducing noise from traffic, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activities, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment inside your home. Increased home value. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, installing energy-efficient windows can be a smart investment. Energy efficiency is one of the most desirable features for potential buyers, particularly as homeowners become more eco-conscious. Not only will energy-efficient windows improve the aesthetics of your home by offering a modern, sleek look, but they will also make your home more attractive to buyers looking to reduce energy costs. According to many real estate experts, homes with energy-efficient features often sell faster and at a higher price point. UV protection for your belongings. The harsh sunlight in Sumter can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. One of the features of energy-efficient windows is their ability to block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays from entering your home. UV rays can cause fabrics and furnishings to deteriorate, but with energy-efficient windows, you can protect your belongings and maintain the vibrancy of your interior decor. This added layer of protection can save you money on replacement costs for faded fabrics and finishes, helping your home look its best for years. Environmentally friendly. Energy-efficient windows are also better for the environment. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you are lowering your carbon footprint. Fewer resources are required to heat or cool your home, and by making the switch, you are contributing to a more sustainable future. In addition to saving money and increasing comfort, choosing energy-efficient windows shows a commitment to environmentally responsible living, something that more homeowners are considering as part of their overall green initiatives. Government incentives and rebates. Many homeowners are unaware that energy-efficient home improvements can qualify for rebates or tax incentives. In Sumter and across South Carolina, state and federal programs offer financial incentives to encourage homeowners to upgrade to energy-efficient windows. These rebates can offset the initial installation costs, making the investment even more affordable. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to explore available incentives in your area to reduce your upfront costs and enjoy long-term savings. Conclusion: incorporating energy-efficient windows into your home in Sumter is a wise decision that offers a wide range of benefits, from cost savings on your energy bills to increased comfort, reduced noise, and improved environmental sustainability. Whether you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint, make your home more marketable, or enjoy a more comfortable living space, energy-efficient windows provide an excellent return on investment. Make the move today, and start enjoying all the benefits that come with this energy-smart upgrade.